Good afternoon, students. Today's topic is dentifrices. Dentifrices are comes under the classification of bulk powders for external use. These dentifrices are most commonly used for external use only to clean the surfaces of the teeth with the help of brush. These dentifrices are available in different types of dosage forms: toothpaste, tooth powders, gels, creams, and dental foams. Definition of dentifrices are the agents which are applied on the surface of the teeth with the help of brush. By the use of dentifrices having various advantages. They are available in different types of dosage forms, easily clean the teeth by the use of these dentifrices, enhance their appearance of teeth to remove debris or any material present in the teeth can be removed, to remove bad odor from the mouth, clean the teeth and reduces the bad odor. Is available in different types of dosage form, easily applied to the brush. These dentifrices are commonly contain detergents or soaps used for producing the foam. These foam can be created by reaction with water. These dentifrices are produces foam with both hard water and soft water. The major ingredient present in a dentifrices are abrasive agents. These are the most common agents to help the clean the teeth with the help of brush. The abrasive agent produces cleansing action on the teeth to remove debris present in the teeth. The dentifrices are also having flavoring agents to produce cooling effect on the mouth. The most commonly used abrasive agents are calcium sulfate, calcium carbonate, sodium carbonate, and sodium chloride. These are used in the form of fine state. Example of dentifrices. The following example indicates the dental powder containing RX hard soap powder 50 grams, calcium carbonate powder 935 grams, saccharin sodium 2 grams, peppermint oil 4 ml, cinnamon oil 2 ml, methyl salicylate is 8 ml. By procedure, by weighing the required ingredients in separately and converted into fine state, by using ascending order, these compounds are mixed with each other. After mixing process can be completed, it can be packed in a suitable container. Next one, simple and compound powders for internal use. In this type of powders, each individual doses is enclosed in a paper and packed in containers. The number of doses of ingredient is 1. That powder is called as simple powder, while the number of doses of ingredient is having more than 1 or 3 or 4, they are called as compound powder. The minimum quantity of each powder should not be less than 100 mg. To maintain this minimum quantity, it can be easily handled and it can be easily used by the patient. The weighing process is also easy. Simple fodders. If the fodder containing the only one ingredient, that is called as simple fodder. The ingredient may be available in either crystalline form or amorphous form. If the ingredient is present in the crystalline form, then it will converted into fine state by reducing the particle size. After particle size is reduced, the required quantity of fodder material can be weighed and divided into number of doses. Each dose can be separately packed and these doses are packed in a suitable container. Example: dispensing 6 powders of aspirin. Each powder contains 300 mg of aspirin. RX aspirin 300 mg. Procedure: weigh the required quantity of aspirin. It can be available in crystalline form. It will convert it into powder. After weigh the required quantity of aspirin. For 6 doses you will require 6 into 300 mg. 1800 mg can be required. After 1800 mg can be weighed, it can be divided into 6 doses: 300 mg, 300 mg, 300 mg, 300 mg, 300 mg and 300 mg. And each dose can be packed in a separate packing and can be wrapped with individual powder paper. After the doses can be packed in a suitable container. Direction: one powder to be taken after every 8 hours. Compound powder. Compound powder containing the two or more than two substances which are mixed together. It can be divided into desired number of individual doses. These can be dispensed in each powder materials. Example: dispense 8 powder of APC. Powder contain 500 mg of APC. APC means aspirin, paracetamol and caffeine. RX aspirin 300 mg, paracetamol 150 mg, caffeine 50 mg. Procedure: weigh the required quantity of each and every ingredient, aspirin, paracetamol and caffeine, for 6 doses and mixing them according to ascending order of their weights. Uniformly mixing. Weigh the 500 mg of mixed powder for each powder and separately packed, and each can be packed in powders. Before this process is continued, we will calculate the doses for 8 powders. After this process is continued, these are called as simple powders and compound powders. APC means aspirin, paracetamol and caffeine powder. Thank you.